Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. And to do this, firstly we need to locate power button, and power button located at the top of the speaker. Right here at the left side we have it. So, firstly, we need to turn off the speaker, and to do this, you need to press and hold power button. Here we go, and now we hear a sound, what means that it's turned off. Also, we have the information right here at the device list. There's no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. And after that, we need to turn on it. So, press one time at the power button. And we just turn on it. Also, we hear a sound, and we can see the LED light at the power button. It means that we turn on it. Also, we have the information at the device list that it's connected. And if you have Android, it will return from Save Devices to My Devices. And that's it. With this method, you can fix a lot of small trouble with this speaker. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!